So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your location currently in use that appears back to back again on your laptop. Now, in order to fix that, simply go to the settings of your laptop. In the settings, right there in the left menu, if you can find the location right there or not, just simply search for locations on the top panel right there. Search for location privacy settings. Now here you'll see this option of location services. Either you can directly turn all of it off by here so that the option will appear for you, or you can manually turn off and check which application is causing that error. For example, if I turn off the location for camera and if it does not disappear, I just simply turn it on again. If I turn the location for WhatsApp off and check it, and if it disappear, let that particular app's notification be turned or location be turned off. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.